Hi, my name is Dan from PLC Code Academy. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ecostructure Machine Expert Basic software. For those unfamiliar yet, this is the software used to write application programs that run all Modicom M221 PLC offers. If you are interested in learning how to program this PLC, then this is an essential step towards that reality. Let us go through it step by step. Okay, the first step is for you to launch any web browser like Mozilla, Opera Mini, or my favorite one, Chrome. Now, there are two ways to go about this. First, you can go to the URL and type www.se.com, or you can simply navigate to the search bar and simply type Schneider Electric. Both bring up the same result. Once the search results appear, you'll be redirected to a Schneider Electric web page. On this page, navigate to the top left part of the page to select your geographical location. Note that without specifying it, it will be difficult to find our download options as they have been customized according to our geographical location. Once you have specified your location, navigate to the bottom left part of the web page and click on Software Downloads. Inside this option, navigate to the Industrial Age option and check its box to filter out preferred software. After that, select View Details option under Ecostructure Machine Expert. You will be redirected to a new page. Here, you'll be required to select your preferred software option. Navigate and select Ecostructure Machine Expert Basic. Click See Software button. You have two options of the software, one of which is larger in file size than the other. This is because the second is a patched version of the first one. Since we can always update the software later, let's choose the first and the lighter option. To download, hit the download icon. Once the download is complete, click on its notification on the top right hand of your browser to navigate to its downloaded location. It is then required that the download files be extracted to a folder of your choosing. Click Browse to select the folder to extract the files to, and then hit Extract. Once all the files are extracted, navigate to the folder to proceed with installing. You are provided with a PDF to help you get started with the software. If you can, please read through. To run the software, run the install file by clicking on its icon. Ensure that you allow it to run on your computer. Select your preferred language. Mine is English, so I will select that. On the setup wizard that appears next, follow its instructions carefully in order to download the software. As required, close all applications currently open and ensure that there is no connection to the controller via USB cable. After this, agree to the End User Agreement document. Note that in order to download the software and install it, you have to have an account. If you have not, simply pause and go back to the Chrome browser and do the following. Type Schneider Electric account. Under the first option, click the Create New Account. Enter your details and you will be okay. Now your account details appear on the next prompt, so just click next. This is where your program files will be located. I recommend you just click yes, because that is where all the other program files on your PC are located anyway. Check the desktop icon and the file extension nomenclature, then hit install. This might take a while depending on the specifications of your PC. Once the software is installed, let us launch it using our desktop icon right here. Note that it takes a while to boot as well. Now, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded our software and installed it. In the next video, we will start our programming lessons. So like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any step. See you next time.